Hi, this is Jill Swan from Spoontown, the largest gathering of spoon carvers in the south of England. I'm going to talk to you now about Knowler Farm, where we're heading. Let's go this way. I'm not sure how many acres it is, but it's been in the same family, the Gifford family, for over 60 years. And they've been very hospitable and pleasant. One of the magical things for me moving here was discovering this family. They do keep livestock, but not as much now, as they've diversified into a campsite. And they have an event field which is available to hire, and they have toddler mornings, you know, where you can go with your small children. They have a fantastic coffee shop that does cakes and coffee and all sorts of things, and you always get a very warm welcome and a fantastic cup of coffee. They've got several dogs which are normally loose but are all very well behaved, had great company, and we've had torrential rain here over the last few weeks, but this is going to be dealt with and resurfaced. You can hear how quiet it is around here. It's a wonderful, peaceful location. Even though it's just 7 miles from Canterbury, we could literally be in the middle of nowhere. So, spoontown.co.uk. I hope you can join us.